Happy holidays from all of us here in the Villages. We hope that you're enjoying the season and all the gatherings and festivities happening across our community. It's been a year with an awful lot to celebrate. It's hard to believe how fast time has gone. It was this time last year that we gathered for the opening of the Brownwood Bridge. As we rolled into 2021, this was just the beginning of the many gifts the year had in store. In the spirit of the season, let's celebrate and take a look at all the new places that you brought to life in 2021. As together, we continue the dream. I think we can all agree that the opening of the next bridge, the Waterlily Bridge, which spanned the turnpike, was an exciting and historic day for our community, bringing full connectivity to all villagers from north to south. Many dreams came true that day as the first villagers crossed the bridge.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We've been waiting for this.
Thank you to the Morse family. We support you and we're very happy to be here in the Villages.
This is definitely makes the Villages perfect.
And for the shopping and dining enthusiast, Magnolia Plaza's variety of businesses provided daily conveniences to our newest villages. In addition to Magnolia Plaza, there were many businesses that opened throughout our hometown. In addition to bridges, shopping, and dining, we added many new pathways, recreation, and golf. Just last month, we welcomed the Ezell Recreation Complex and Southern Oaks Championship Golf, both a part of the Sawgrass Grove area. Well, it's certainly been a busy year, and yet there's still so much more to come. It gives us great joy to see you bring our community to life. And from our family to yours, we hope all your dreams come true. We'll see you in 2022 as together we continue the dream.